Now we have to show that the coefficient of the middle term of 1 plus x raised to power 2n is equal to the sum of the coefficients of the two middle terms of 1 plus x raised to power 2n minus 1. Now first of all middle term for 1 plus x raised to power 2n. Now here total number of terms is equal to 2n plus 1. Now twice of n means even number. So total number of terms are now odd. Okay. Now this is what? This is odd. Therefore middle term is equal to 2n plus 1 upon 2. This is n plus 1. Is it clear? Now n plus 1th term is equal to t n plus 1. Remember, n plus 1th term is the second last term always. Okay. So n plus 1th term is equal to t n plus 1. Okay. Now t n plus 1 is equal to 2n c n, then 1 raised to power 2n minus n with x raised to power n. So this is equal to 2n c n with x raised to power n. Now coefficient of t n plus 1 is equal to 2n c n. This is one thing. Okay. This one. Now for the second part. Middle terms for 1 plus x raised to power 2n minus 1. Now 2n minus 1 exponent is what? Odd. Now total number of terms is equal to 2n minus 1 plus 1, and this is equal to 2n. So 2n is what? Even. So two middle terms. That are 2n upon 2 and 2n upon 2 plus 1. Is it clear? So we are having nth term and n plus 1th term. Now let's find nth term. Nth term is equal to Tn, this is equal to 2n minus 1 plus 1. Is it clear? Now T n minus 1 plus 1 is equal to, we have to find for this expression. Now 2n minus 1 Cn minus 1 with 1 raised to power 2n minus 1 minus n minus 1 with x raised to power n minus 1. Now this is equal to 2n minus 1 Cn minus 1 x raised to power n minus 1. N plus 1th term is equal to T n plus 1. Now, T n plus 1 is equal to 2n minus 1 Cn with 1 raised to power 2n minus 1 minus n with x raised to power n. Now, this is 2n minus 1 Cn x raised to power n. Now, sum of coefficients of nth term and n plus 1th term is equal to 2n minus 1 Cn minus 1 plus 2n minus 1 Cn, because these are the coefficients. Okay. Now, we have gone through a theorem. We will be having 2n minus 1 Cn minus 1 plus 2n minus 1 Cn. This will be equal to 2n minus 1 plus 1 Cn. Okay. We are having a theorem. If we are having n Cr minus 1 plus n Cr, then the result is always n plus 1 Cr. Okay. So, this is equal to 2n Cn. Second. Now, again what we are having? We have proved here this was, so I can just write it now. Tn plus Tn plus 1. These are the terms is equal to this one. Okay. From 1 and 2, coefficients are same. Proved.